Now we are going to discuss about Claisen-Schamat reaction. What is Claisen-Schamat reaction? In Claisen-Schamat reaction, the aromatic aldehyde, here aromatic aldehyde or ketone, here aromatic aldehydes or ketones are reacted with aliphatic aliphatic aldehyde or ketone. Aromatic aldehyde or ketone are react with aliphatic aldehyde or ketone, and these aldehyde and ketone contain or having alpha hydrogen or having alpha hydrogen. These undergoes cross condensation. These undergoes cross condensation reaction to give product. This reaction is called Claisen-Schamat reaction. Okay, in this reaction, aromatic aldehyde or ketone react with aliphatic aldehyde and ketone, and these aliphatic aldehyde must be contain alpha hydrogen, and at that time these are undergoes cross condensation reaction. Already you are know condensation reaction. Here aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde undergoes cross condensation reaction to give product, and this reaction is called Claisen-Schamat reaction. Here example, aromatic aldehyde, this is our aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde, this is reacted with aliphatic aldehyde CH3 C double bond OH in presence of base 10% of NaOH. Here we are using NaOH base. It gives condensed product CH double bond CH C double bond OH. This product is called Claisen-Schamat product. If we see the mechanism of Claisen-Schamat reaction, in mechanism, in step 1, the base abstract the alpha hydrogen from the aliphatic aldehyde. For example, this is our aliphatic aldehyde, ethanol. I am writing this aldehyde in expanded form. Here in first step, here we are using base. This base abstract the hydrogen from the alpha carbon atom. It abstracts the alpha hydrogen. This carbon is alpha carbon and hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. It abstracts the proton to form carbon anion. It becomes CH2 minus plus H2O is removed. This is the first step. In first step, the base abstract the proton from the alpha hydrogen. In step 2, this carbon anion generated in first step attack the carbonyl carbon of the aromatic aldehyde. This is our aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde. This carbonyl carbon, carbon anion which is generated in first step. This is our anion. The negatively charged carbon anion attack to the carbonyl carbon. At that time, these pi bonds are shifted to the oxygen. Now it become C. Already H is there. Double bond O become single bond O and oxygen get minus charge. Here CH2 C double bond O H. This is the second step. Okay. In second step, the whatever generated in first step carbon anion, it attack to the carbonyl carbon of aromatic aldehyde. It may be aromatic aldehyde or ketone, anything. It attack to the carbonyl carbon. At that time, these pi bonds are shifted to the oxygen and oxygen get negative charge. Okay. This is the second step. In third step, step 3. In step 3, this negatively charged oxygen means this negatively charged oxygen abstract the proton from water molecule. It abstract the proton from water molecule to form OH. CH, it become OH, CH2, C double bond O, H. This is the third step. In third step, whatever generated in second step negatively charged oxygen, it abstract the proton from the water molecule. Okay, this is called enol because here aldol. This is called aldol because here it contain aldehydic functional group also and OH group also. In fourth step, step 4, here dehydration takes place. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. Here one H is here and another one H is here. This is our aldehydic functional group. In this step, water molecule is eliminated. These bonds are shifted to here. Carbon carbon single bond get double bond. At that time, this OH group is removed, and this OH, by taking this hydrogen as a water molecule, it is eliminated as minus H2O to give CH double bond CH single bond C double bond O H. This is the alpha beta unsaturated product. Here aromatic aldehyde is condensed with the aliphatic aldehyde, and this Claisen-Schamat reaction can also occur in aromatic aldehyde with aliphatic aldehyde or aromatic ketone with aliphatic ketone or vice versa. Okay, this is called Claisen-Schamat reaction. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲೇಜನ್-ಸ್ಕಾಮೆಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅರೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಅಲಿಫೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಡೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲೇಜನ್-ಸ್ಕಾಮೆಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆನಯಾನ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆನಯಾನ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಒಳಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 3 ಒಳಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓ ಎಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಅಲ್ಡೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಡೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓ ಎಚ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ರಿ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ H2O ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲೇಜನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.